to Daytime Live. We are still buzzing, but we're buzzing with some wacky news.
Okay, so a Brazilian singer ended up in the hospital after she refused to pass gas in front of her boyfriend. Now, 27-year-old Vivian Pereira found herself in a hospital with a case of trapped farts, quote unquote, because she wouldn't break wind in front of her significant other out of embarrassment. Now, Pereira, who goes by her stage name Polka, says that she'd been watching TikTok videos that told her to ignore her discomfort caused by the gas. But the pain started to reach new heights, forcing her to seek medical assistance.
Ooh,
wow.
I am now fine. Just an accumulation of trapped farts, said Polka in a social media post. Girls, don't be ashamed to pass gas in front of your guy, because what's really embarrassing is not letting your guy sleep because you're in discomfort. Going to the hospital with your guy and being diagnosed with trapped wind. From now on, I'm letting them rip, guys. I'm medicated and I'm fine.
Now, trapped gas occurs when methane does not move through one's intestines normally, causing sufferers sharp pain or discomfort in their abdomen. Yeah, you know what I mean? Ginger tea.
Yeah, but that don't happen to us in Jamaica. Because before we go to bed, we're always having like a glass.
No, sir.
What is the earliest that you think a girl like can just like release herself in front of you?
Me don't know. Honestly, so, woman, to me, like, when we hear a woman break wind, right?
Yeah.
It depends on the type. Because you know you have some type. You have some real one that sound like a man alone. We alone for do it don't sound like it to come from a like you hear them something like yeah man, when you hear the big shot them fire. Yeah, I said no, bulls, you know really, you know.
The big shot them fire?
Yeah man, when the big shot them fire. Woman for fire small pipe.
Listen, I believe in equal rights and justice here. Nah. So if here's the thing though, me I eat the cheese and the egg and the curry goat and the thing, and where you are eat the cheese, the egg and the curry goat and the thing. So if you have a big gun, me have a big gun too, no so?
No. We can't fire the same gun.
I believe, listen, have you ever, so I have, I'm not gonna tell you.
You ever trapped?
I'm not gonna tell you.
You've suffered from trapped?
No, I'm not a windy person.
Okay.
To be honest. I know that sounds really weird, but I'm not really a leg of the wind kind of person. See. I'm a kind of like, I need the bathroom kind of person.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
So
you know what I'm saying? It doesn't really happen, but I have been asleep one time and, you know, all is well.
Yeah.
And then you hear, and I'm like,
yeah, man, are you?
I'm like, no, it was him. It was not me. It was not me.
Yes,
and I was a little perturbed.
Yeah,
I was a little perturbed by it.
Yeah, man, sometimes.
And, you know, listen, in a relationship, the things we live through that we don't talk enough about. But I understand her. See, Uno man put pressure on us to be demure all the time.
But you
hear
can
the
go
great
to
talk with the little gun and the big gun.
But you can go to the bathroom, man. You can go to the bathroom.
So in a deep sleep.
Yeah, man.
No clothing on.
Yeah,
you
man,
want me to get up and tiptoe and nearly butt my foot and turn on light for go to the bathroom?
Yeah, man.
You
but
see
you
that?
can fire it
so
on
you're
the way.
Gonna do that?
You can fire it on the way to the bathroom.
On the way to the bathroom. So you're going to do that too?
In the beginning, in early relationship, oh, you mean? Yeah, man, may I get up and make a move?
I'm glad.
Yeah,
I feel like some things I don't need to see.
I make a move, I'm going to do my thing, I'm going to come back.
I agree. So we're equal then? Equal rights.
Really
equal rights.
I don't really know. You know the sweetest thing? Airport, when you walk through airport and you just fire walk.
And you look on somebody be like, you're like, what did you do? You evil.
Anyway.
I'm so sorry. Okay, speaking of bedroom antics, Tyler Perry revealed some funny truths while taking a lie detector test. Now, as a feature on Vanity Fair's infamous video segment, Lie Detector Test, the actor/director laughed as he admitted to using his Medea voice during intimacy.
What? Now, after being asked by the interviewer, do you ever
Craig.
accidentally use Madea's voice in conversation? He tried to deny it, but quickly remembered
He was a lie detector.
he was taking a lie detector test. And he said, sometimes, once, on occasion, during sex, like, no, me not, no, man, me not do it.
He says like, oh, my dear girl, hello, sorry.
Wow. So he also admitted to singing Adele's song.
Hello. Oh, what do you say? Hello. No?
Me no know.
Listen.
You know, some Madea make me stop watch Tyler Perry movie. No, for real.
Our cameraman Marvin said, yes.
Yeah, but me not dig it.
Put his hand up.
Seriously,
But the truth of the matter is, it depends on what kind of satire, what kind of stuff you like. I'm not a fan of that kind of slapstick kind of humor, even though Madea has 1 and 2 that's actually quite deep and quite emotional still. But I'm not really a fan of that kind of thing, you know what I'm saying? But I'm not really a fan of Tyler Perry movies generally,
Yeah,
even
man.
though I love Tyler Perry.
Yeah, me no.
I stand for who he is, so I can respect the artist and respect the person and what he does, even if I don't like his work necessarily. You know what I'm saying? So I'm not a fan of his work.
How you chipping on Madea's voice during sex?
I was going to do the I was going to do the whole. I think that's weird. Craig, we don't have long. Have you ever chipped in and like your Lego want, what you name? Some lyrics like from a song where girls say, sing that for me now, Craig.
Song? You mean my own song?
Your song.
Yeah, man, them not drop some of my lyrics themselves, of course. Yeah,
Give one we say. Give one we say, Craig.
Daytime live will be right back with a look back at a fun game that we played. We're so forward.
Give me one.
No, man, my thing, man.
Oh, man.